Hello everyone, this is Anushruti and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yes, it's already been an year since I have not uploaded any video, but yes, I am here with a new unboxing video, and some of you have suggested that I should upload more content on this channel, but I think hopefully I will be back on track soon. So yes, let's get to the point. In this video, I will be unboxing the goodies which I have received in Airbus Aerothon 5.0, and actually I am very excited about this because I loved some of the products which are very unique. The ideas, the concept, I really loved it, which I will show you very soon. So I have been receiving t-shirts, hoodies, coffee mugs, and once I received an electronic writing pad. So these are some of the common products which you get through swags from hackathons or any events. The most common product is a t-shirt, which you will get in almost all the events as a prize or as a swag. So I have too many now and I am really bored of it. So yes, I am happy that this time I got something different and I love the concept. It is purely based on an eco-friendly concept. The ideas, the innovations which they have used, which they have thought of, is really cute and good. So yeah, let's open this. Inside this there is a set of pens. Actually, for to know what is this about and how you have to use it, you just have to scan this QR code and it will take you to a YouTube video. I will just post that link in the description. So yes, so what's unique about these pens? Wanna guess? I will tell you. So these are different colored pens, and in each pen there is a seed here. Look at this, and yes, so like this is the onion one, this is marigold, this is brinjal, this is carrot, this is coriander, and spinach. Okay, so what you have to do is like this is a blue colored ink pen, and you have to use this, and after using, you don't need to throw this pen, you will just need to plant this pen. Yes, plant this pen. The seed is there and it will grow into a plant. Love the concept. The next is the set of pencils on the same ideology. Look at this, the tomato, this is mustard. Look at the seeds, they are present here, and this is coriander again. Okay, I will just see. Look at this, this is actually coriander, and you just have to open this. This is detachable. And let's come to the next. So this is a diary, simple diary, but yes, I think this is made up of recycled paper, because from the finish it's like there are some dried out petals of flowers inside it. Just look at this. This is really good. Now coming to the next product. So this is a cocoa-pit disc. Actually it's two. So what you have to do is just slowly add water to it, and it will expand into soil like mixture, which is ready for planting. So it looks like this. No, it's not a biscuit. Okay, now coming to the next product. So these are small pots. These are also cute. These are two. I think you have to use this cocoa-pit disc in it. Okay, so now coming to the next product. I must say these are very delicate. It's actually broken already. Never mind. So I will just open it. So I think this is a calendar with these two stands, and it starts from April 2023. So these are actually there, and for stands there is a tutorial how to like fix it. So you know what the best part is? They have given the calendar till March 2024. I think they know my birthday is there in March, so I can just check on what day it is. Sorry for the PJs. Okay, let's just keep it here. Now coming to the next product, it is like a sticky note, and I told you these are very delicate, and it is coming out of nowhere. Okay, so yes, these are some of the sticky notes and this writing pads. The next thing is this. So these are eco playing cards, and I will just show you. These are really cool actually. This is the rules, the rummy rules. Make sure you don't break the rules. Yeah, so these are, look at this, the king, the joker. Why this joker is cute? Oh, so jokers are actually cute. Where is the queen, by the way? Okay, so you have to find the queen. Okay, I got it. Here is the queen, and these are the cards. So do you like the cards? Actually, I really liked it. Okay, I will just keep it here. I don't know how to play it, but yes, these are very cool, so I will just refer to the rummy rules and just play it. So, these are all the products which I have got, and I really loved all these products. These are very good. The ideas, the concept and the innovation that they have applied to each of them is very good, and thank you Airbus for this. So yes, I hope you liked the video, and if you liked the video then actually like it from below, and you can share it also. You can subscribe to my channel so that I can get motivation to upload more videos. So yeah, that's all. Thank you and bye.